When young women in their 20s attempt earning an income without any tertiary qualification, face beating, food catering, trading of trending clothes, skincare products, and jewelries often come along as easy and relatable option, not truck driving. Truck driving is generally considered a job for men. Of course, it is rare to see a woman doing well in such a male-dominated area. This brave young girl, simply identified as Omolade Gold, has been seen driving truck in videos shared on social media. She is said to be 16 years old and she is driving long truck across cities in Nigeria.